So who wipes away the tears of the oldest daughter? I am filled with jealousy at times when my younger sister comes to me and cries because she knows she can. Of course, I'll be there for her, but I also wish I had someone who understands, someone who'd hold me by my hand. Yes, I have my mother, and there's that saying, you grow closer to your mother with age, but I guess I haven't really reached that stage. I know she'd listen if I cried out to her. She'd listen but wouldn't understand completely. And yes, I have my friends to talk of my feelings and regrets, but what then when faces turn and friendships end? Will it forever be my journal and pillow that can bear my deepest secrets? But what can I say? I am the oldest daughter, so with bottled feelings, I am to live, learn, forgive, and forget.
I think one of the feelings that I've always grown up with, which, I think therapy will only be able to fix because I've not been able to get over it, is the feeling of not being enough. Constantly feeling like, your parents want somebody better than you. And so your first instinct is to be that person, study more, behave properly. And then you see कि तुम जितना भी कर लो, it's not enough. That's when you give up and you're like, अब तो भाई, जो मैं कर रहा था वो भी नहीं मिलेगा. So I just felt like, and I don't know if it was their fault or not, or maybe it's just how my brain is hardwired to believe that. I just never felt like I was enough. So
in my family, I'm known as the angry daughter, the one who never got along with her father. At homes, they might know me for starting fights, while all I wish is to be understood. To my parents, I'm just someone who can't get things right. The angry daughter, so caring outside the walls of her home, her friends never once heard her raise her tone. She cares for people deeply and tries to ease the burden people carry. She has love in so much quantity, more than her parents has ever known. The angry daughter just seemed to buy gifts to bring a smile on people's face, has a hearty laugh and just remembers people's birthdays. She seems to be more gentle on other people, even if she didn't face it firsthand. Living with a household that just can't seem to understand the way her heart speaks. But she remains kind, not angry, not the same person she is when she's with her family.
तुम्हारे घर के जितने भी फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं ना, उन्हें तुम्हें वीडियो दिखाओगे. ये तुम्हारे फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं और ये तुम हो. नोटिस किया, तुम थोड़े अलग हो, बट उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि तुम बिल्कुल ऐसे हो जाओ, पर तुम ऐसे नहीं हो. तुम्हारी फैमिली लाइफ को उसी तरीके से जी रही हो जैसे उन्हें आता है. ये उनका जॉब, ये उनकी लाइफस्टाइल, दिस इज आवर लिव. और ये तुम हो जो ट्राई कर रहा है उसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करने का जो तुमने उन्हें फॉलो करते हुए देखा है. और फिर होता क्या है? फेलियर, लूजर, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. तुम खुद भी ये सोचने लगते हो कि शायद तुम ही केपेबल नहीं हो. बट अपने आप को ध्यान से नोटिस करना स्टार्ट करो और रियलाइज करो दैट यू आर केपेबल ऑफ अदर थिंग्स एंड अदर वेज ऑफ लिविंग लाइफ. कैसे तुम्हारे पास भी डिफरेंट एबिलिटीज है, डिफरेंट टैलेंट है, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली यू आर हैप्पी इन अ डिफरेंट वे. अब ऑब्वियस ही बात है, तुम्हारे फैमिली को ये समझ नहीं आएगा क्योंकि उन्होंने कभी ये पैटर्न ब्रेक ही नहीं किया. उन्हें कुछ एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं है केस में. तो यू
Why nobody is talking about this? जब काली माँ was filled with rage and she was marching to destroy the whole world, Shiva had to lie down on her feet to calm her down. And honestly, हम कहानी नहीं भूले, हम उसके पीछे की सीख भूल चुके हैं. Look, by the nature's law, feminines are related to stay chanchal. It's called as prakriti, जो changeable है, movable है. And masculines are known as purush, which are calm, composed and patient. But in our times, feminines are the one who are asked to be calm and composed and masculines are asked to be robust. But understand this thing, हमारी philosophy ने कभी भी चीजें बदलने के लिए नहीं कहा. It's we who have turned the tables around and changed the things in the name of survival, which is not wrong at the end of the day. But to forget the nature's law, ये बात तो सही नहीं है, my friend. Think about it.